Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel Queen Alice. So guys, your Alice is here with another amazing and very profitable project. So before starting the further review, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the upcoming notification and videos. So guys, let's start our today review. So today I am here with Sophia on Sol. As you can see on my screen, embarrass the goodness of crypto memes. Sophia on Sol is not just another meme coin. It is a movement to dive into the arcane and explore the hidden mysteries of the universe with us. Sophia on Sol is the first and only meme coin of the Truther community. Join us and be a part of the revolution. So this was an amazing interview and introduction of the Sophia on Sol, awakening humanity's ancient wisdom. So at Sophia Sol, we believe in the power of ancient knowledge to guide us through the complexity of the modern world. Our mission is to awaken humanity to the scared wisdom that has been hidden for centuries, allowing us to embrace a new golden age. We aim to combine the realms of cryptocurrency and esoteric technique, creating a community that thrives on understanding and enlightenment. Join us as we embark on this transformative journey where the mysteries of the universe meet the innovative world of digital currency. So together we will explore the depth of our collective consciousness and restore the balance of Sophia in our lives. So here is a beautiful profile of Sophia on Sol. So you can see the amazing picture quality of Sophia on Sol. So here is the project roadmap. Defeat the Archons. Our first milestone is to overcome the challenges posed by the Archons, paving the way for brighter future in the crypto world. So restoration of Sophia and the Pleroma. We want to restore the divine wisdom of Sophia and Pleroma, aligning our community with the ancient sacred wisdom. So reach 1 billion market cap valuation is our mission. Our ultimate goal is to achieve a market valuation of 1 billion, establishing Gnostic as leading force in the world crypto. So become part of our movement. Join us in our mission to create vibrant community around Sophia on Sol. Together we can explore the mysteries of the universe and the crypto. Here you can learn more about the Sophia. So explore Gnostic contract address will be copied here soon, along with the screener info, how to buy, create a wallet, download Phantom from the App Store or as a Chrome extension. Ensure your wallet has some soul. Go to the Pump Fund Connect wallet and paste in the Gnostic token contract address, which will be listed at launch. Then swap your soul for the Gnostic. So this was amazing interview. This was amazing introduction of the Sophia on Sol. Here you can join their newsletter. Stay updated with the latest news and updates from Sophia on Sol. You have to subscribe to our newsletter for insights and community. So this is their website. Here you can check out all the related information about the Sophia on Sol. Now we'll show you their communities. So this is their Twitter account. This is their Telegram community. I am also part of their community. You have to join their community. The goddess of all crypto memes and the crypto words, the first and only meme coin for the Truther community, Sophia on Sol. So here is their Twitter account. So guys, I am also following them. Do follow them if you want to do something big. It's a greatest opportunity. Sophia on Sol, the goddess of all crypto memes and the crypto words, official meme coin of the future community. So here is all the related updation and announcement of Sophia on Sol. If you want to know about the latest announcement, you can join their Telegram and Twitter account. Sophia on Sol, the goddess of all crypto meme, first and only meme coin for Truth community, launching on 29 November. Be part of crypto awakening truth memes and revolution. So guys, here you can see all the latest updation announcement. You have to join it now. So guys, this was a little bit introduction of the Sophia on Sol. So guys, how was the video? Please like and comment in the comment section. Don't forget to hold this amazing token. Have your wallet filled with Sophia on Sol. When you have it today, you will be benefited tomorrow. So guys, how was the video? Please like and comment, and thank you for watching the video. See you next time.